In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color a database in Notion. Now, if you're familiar with Notion, you might be aware that as of now, there isn't a direct feature to add colors to databases. But don't worry, because we've got a neat workaround that will inject some vibrancy into your Notion workspace. Let's jump right in. To begin, we're going to create a toggle list. You can do this by clicking in your Notion page and typing a /. This will bring up a menu of options. From here, simply type toggle and select the toggle list option. Think of this as the container that will help us achieve our goal. Once your toggle list is ready, the next step is to drag your database into that toggle list. This might sound a bit unusual, but it's a clever way to access the coloring options we need. It's as simple as clicking on your database and dragging it over to the toggle list. When you release, your database will nest neatly inside the toggle. Now, here comes the magic part. Move your mouse over to the toggle list you just created. As you do this, keep an eye out for a 6-dot icon that appears on the left-hand side of the toggle. This is your key to unlocking color options. Go ahead and click on that icon. You'll notice a menu appears, and within that menu, there's an option for color. Click on the color option, and you'll be presented with a few background color choices. Keep in mind that the palette is somewhat limited, but it's a great way to bring some visual variety to your Notion setup. Choose any color that suits your style or organizational needs. And just like that, you've colored your database. It's a simple yet effective way to add that extra layer of personalization or categorization. While this method doesn't give you direct control over individual database items' colors, applying a background color via a toggle list is a fun and functional workaround to give your workspace personality and clarity. Hopefully this little trick will help keep your Notion pages as intuitive and beautiful as possible. Remember, the key is utilizing that toggle list which other users might overlook. So, go ahead and give this method a try in your own Notion setup. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. See you in the next one.